Good morning, class. This is your English teacher, Sir Sanjay. I welcome you all to yet another session of online classes, wherein we upload YouTube videos from time to time in order to complete your syllabus and give you comprehensive explanation on the lessons that have not been taught yet. Okay. So in the last class, we have already covered up lesson number 4. We have also analyzed the question and answers. In case if you have any doubt pertaining to this lesson, like I always mention, there are Google Meet doubt clearance session wherein we can meet, talk, discuss and clear our doubts. Okay. So basically Google Meet sessions are for doubt clearance. Okay. Now without wasting any further time, permit me to begin today's class. The name of the lesson number 5 for English course book is Froggies at School. Froggies is just a fun name, clear? There is no such name called froggies. It's a funny name given to frogs. You have all seen frogs, right? Frogs are amphibian. Now if you ask me what are amphibians, amphibians are those creatures that can live both. Yeah, so like I was mentioning, amphibians, frog is an amphibian. It's an animal that can live both in water, okay, both in water and on land or surface as well. Okay, can you name some other animals of this nature? Of course, tortoise, and there are so many. All right, so frog is an amphibian. Now we'll learn about a frog who will try and go to a school, seemingly. The name of the lesson is Froggies at School. Froggies at where? School, right? So ponder means to think. Okay, let's see what do we have here. This frog wants to reach his friend. Some leaves in the pond have words related to the frog. Color the correct leaves to show him the way. Clear? So here is the frog. This particular frog wants to reach his friend. Okay, this one. Okay, so these are friends. He wants to reach his friend, and what happened is there are leaves here. Okay, there are leaves here. You are asked to color them in order to connect this frog to his friend. Okay, so how do we do? Let's first find out the word. See, walk, no. Beak is not related. Tadpole, cub, calf, croc, bark, hop. So which words are related to frog? If I ask, is bark related to frog? Not at all. You just cross it. Calf, is calf related to frog? No. Is cub related to frog? No. How about beak? No. Frogs have no beak, right? If frogs had beak, they would look like birds, something like that, which is not possible. Then walk. Do frogs walk? No, they hop and skip and jump, right? Do frogs meow? Not at all. So based on the remaining leaves, walking you can consider, clear? Based on the remaining leaves, you have to color them and make this frog reach his friend. Very simple. 3 or 4 leaves will be remaining. You have to color them and make him reach. Okay, so I leave this exercise to you to be done by your own. You can consider this as homework or a fun activity, whatever you like to call it. Okay, I'll call it a fun activity, as simple as that. Okay, so do it on your own. All right, now let's start reading the poem, to be precise. So it's about frogs going to school. 20 froggies went to school down beside a rushy pool. We are here. 20 froggies went to school down beside A rushy pool. So we have a new word here, rushy. Rushy means full of plants that grow near water. Okay, full of plants that grow near water. It's here. So 20 froggies went to school down beside a rushy pool. Okay. So like the title suggests, 20 frogs, they went to a school down beside a rushy pool. So there was this rushy pool, means a pool full of plants growing nearby. So they use this root. Okay. 20 little coats of green, 20 vests all white and clean. Okay. So what did they wear? They wear 20 coats which were green in color and 20 vests. Vest means, yes. What does the word vest mean? Does anyone have any idea? Mm-hmm. Vest are those garments which we wear beneath our just beneath our t-shirt, shirt, and all, right? Vest, brief, those things. So, what did they wear? See, 20 little coats of green, 20 vests, all white and clean. They wore 20 vests. We call it ganji in Hindi, right? We must be in time, said they. First we study, then we play. That is how we keep the rule when we froggies go to school. Master Frogs, grave and stern, called the classes in their turn, taught them how to nobly strive. Nobly means work hard in the right way. Okay. Likewise, how to leap and dive. Okay. It's a funny poem. It is about 20 frogs who wore new coats and brand new white color vest, and they were on their journey ready to go to school. Clear? On the way, they went through this rushy pool, means a pool full of green plants. Okay. And they say to each other, we all must be in time. First we will study, then we will play. And they affirm that that is how they keep the rule. Clear? Whenever they go to school. So Master Frog, grave and stern, means Master Frog was very serious and disciplinarian. One so believes that discipline is the key to everything. So he called the classes in their turn. Okay, he kept following or doing his duty turn wise, and he taught all the frogs to be nobly strive, means to work continuously hard in the right way. Okay. Likewise, how to leap and dive. So he also taught them life skills of leaping and diving. Leaping means jumping, and diving. Okay. So this is a simple poem. What we'll do is we'll read it once again. You will have to repeat after me. Okay. So let's re-study the poem once again. Repeat after me. 20 froggies went to school. Down beside a rushy pool. 20 froggies went to a school down beside a rushy pool. 20 little cots of green, 20 vests, all white and clean. Again, 20 little cots of green, 20 vests, all white and clean. We must be in time, said they. First we study, then we play. We must be in time, said they. First we study, then we play. That is how we keep the rule That is how we keep the rule when we froggies go to school. Master Froggy, grave and stern, call the classes in their turn. Again, Master Froggy, grave and stern, call the classes in their turn. Taught them how to nobly strive. Taught them how to nobly strive. Likewise, how to leap and dive. Likewise, how to leap and dive. That's how you do it. As simple as that. Okay. Now we have learned some new words. I want you to learn the meaning of these words by heart by writing them in your notebook. This will be a form of dictation. B, enhancement of your vocabulary. Vocabulary means what? Learning new words in English and using them in the form of sentence in order to learn English effectively. Okay. So Rashi means full of plants that grow near water. Grave here means serious, nobly, in the right way, strive, to work hard. Okay. So the poem is clear. I want you to learn this poem by heart by next class. And when we have Google Meet session and all, what I can do is I will ask you. Okay. Yeah. So now let's take a look at the kind of question we have. Prepare section. What is this? In the poem, the froggies are described as wearing green coats and white vests. Okay. This helps you imagine what the froggies look like. Okay, so you ask to form pair and write down a few description for your favorite animal. Then share them with the class. Make sure to act out how they move. So sharing with class now is possible only through Google Meet. So I want you all to imagine, write a few lines on your favorite animal, or imagine the kind of dress we can wear them. For example, you can take elephant or a horse and imagine the kind of dress they would wear and share it with either your brother, sister, or your parents as an activity. And in the next Google class I may ask you of the same. Okay, so it's very simple. Now without wasting time, let's analyze the exercises. Okay, so here we are. Choose the correct answer. The school of the froggies is beside a pool, river, lake. Where? You do it on your own. This is all simple. The answers have already been provided. We are not wasting time on that. I'll just do one for you. What is your choice? Is it 1, 2, 3 or 4? Let me do 4. You do the rest. Clear? At school, the master teaches the froggies how to leap and dive. Okay, the rest are easy. Do them on your own. Do them on your own. Okay. Now let's move on to next section. Answer the following question. Like I've said, the answer have already been provided. We'll just try and summarize once for clarity of understanding. Okay. Do you like your school uniform? Of course you will like it. So this answer is for you. Do you think the green coats and white vests for the froggies are their uniform? Yes, it's kind of their uniform, right? So do you reach school on time every day? Why is it important to be on time? This is up to you. You are supposed to answer all this. We usually used to reach school on time when there was no pandemic, right? But now due to pandemic we are doing classes online. So why is it important to be on time? It's important to be on time because if we are on time, we'll not be missing out a lot of thing or anything for that purpose. Okay, it's important to be on time. It also is a reflection of discipline. Okay. 3, The froggies in the poem play after studies. Do you do the same? Of course, every children do the same, isn't it? But remember, playing can be done once your studies are complete. Okay, don't mix them. 4. At school, the froggies learn how to leap and dive. What else do you think they learn? Make a list of subjects they might have. Okay, so at school, the froggies learn how to leap and dive. What else do you think they learn? What else do the froggies learn? They might be learning how to study, they might be learning manner, discipline, behavior, dictation, English, these and that, right? So you asked to make a list of subjects they might have, so it's up to you. Okay, what is your favorite subject at school? Why do you like it? You can say English or Hindi, whatever you like. The reason behind this is you can write your own reason. It helps me speak and understand things well. It's an international language, so okay. Perfect session, poetry appreciation. Okay, so froggies in the poem leap and dive. All animals move in their special way. We are asked to match this animal with the way they move. So this also is simple. I'm not doing all. Snakes, what do they do? Do they swing? Do they waddle? They crawl, right? Then monkeys, what do? They swing. So solve them on your own. If you have problem, like I've said, I'm always there. Okay. So let's see the next one. B. Circle the letter O in this words. Very simple. On. You'll circle O. Okay. For example, the word is on. O and on. You are asked to circle the letter O. So what will I circle? I'll circle O. Clear? Then octopus, for example. O C T O P U S. Octopus, right? You are asked to circle O words. O. Similar. Say these words aloud. Notice the sound at the end of each word. So it's pronunciation drill. Say with me, repeat after me. Turn. 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 Climb. 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 Stern. 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 Cling. 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 Then class. 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 Clove. 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 Burn. 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 Fern. 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 Okay. So which words and in the sound you hear in the word earn? So earn. Rhyming words of earn. You can say fern, burn, then stern. Right? Then which words begin with the sound you hear in the word clash? Clash, right? So which word? Climb. I'll use red pen for this. Climb, cling, class, clove. Isn't it? Sorry, for RN group, one more word when missing this one. You can write them. Clear which words and in the sound you hear in the word earn. Earn is stern, then stern, then burn, fern, etc. Then next one is which word begin with the sound you hear in the word clash. Clash, which word? Yes, it's very simple. The red letter word like climb, cling, class, clove, etc. Okay, the words are climb, class, cling, and so on. So do it on your own. Alright, so I'm not wasting any further time here. Perform. So you asked to form group of 4, learn the poem by heart and recite it. We cannot do it in group of 4. I recommend you all to learn the poem by heart on your own, and in the next class I'll be asking this, okay, in the Google Meet session. So make sure you learn it. Alright. So with this we come to conclusion of today's class. Thank you all for being part of the class. It was wonderful to have you all. Thank you.